I'm going to show you how to get that locked on stabilization effect in Davinci Resolve. Okay, so here is our clip that we want to stabilize. What we're going to do is we're going to open this clip in the Fusion panel. From here we're going to hit Shift Spacebar to bring up the Select tool and search for the Tracker tool. And you can see it's now in our node line. Now we grab this little crosshair section and place it over what part we want to track. So we're going to place it right between the eyes of this person running. And once we've done that, we're just going to track forward. So it looks like it's done a pretty good job of tracking this person's head. Now our next step is to come to the Operation tab and change our operation type to Match Move, and for Merge we just want BG only. And now it's locked our position of our head, but we can see that the rest of the frame, there are some black borders which we need to get rid of. So what we're going to do is add a transform to our node line. Now all we want to do is just increase our size and position him in the center again, and our shot should be looking pretty good. So that's how you track something with the Tracker tool. Now sometimes this tool doesn't always work the way you want it, so I'm going to show you another way for more complex tracking. So I'll show you with this clip of this man really enjoying his painting how the Tracker tool sometimes doesn't work, and then I will show you a way to fix that. So we're going to try and track his ear because there's a bit of contrast between the ear and his hair on his head. So we'll give that a go. And you see when he twists his head, the tracker loses its point, and so the render doesn't complete for us. So instead we're going to search for the planar tracker, and what this does is instead of tracking just one point, it's going to track multiple points of a selected area you choose. So we're just going to circle his head, set our reference frame and change our motion type to translation and track forward and see how this does. As you can see, it's locking onto our dancer pretty well. And so now we're going to just change our operation mode to steady and take a look at how we've done. And now you can see there's a lot of movement because he is moving around with those dance moves. And we're just going to have to bring in the transform and scale it up to fill the frame. So those are two ways to do a locked on tracking effect in Davinci Resolve. If you got something from this video, subscribe for more.